Next exercise we're gonna do is the single leg RDL. I'm gonna use the kettlebell. All right, on this exercise, making sure we're lining up just like this, chest up. All right, this foot right here is gonna have a little bend. This back leg, we want it to stay nice and straight so you engage that glute. And I'm gonna keep this heel, try to keep it in line with my back shoulder as I drop. So chest is gonna be up, I'm gonna drop straight down, slight bend in this bottom leg, and then stand up nice and tall, okay? So it's basically like a deadlift on one leg. Not a bend, not a squat, more of a bend. Belly button tight, drive straight down. You're gonna feel that stretch in those hamstrings, and then we're gonna drive right up. And this back leg is keeping that glute engaged through some isometric tension there. Let's do 2 more. Push straight down. You will feel this pull on those hamstring muscles right behind that kneecap and all the way down to your calf and Achilles. Let's do a couple reps on this other side. I'm gonna face this way, chest up, driving straight down and straight back up. Let's do 2 more. 1 more. Good stretch and right back up. Great exercise to work hamstrings, strengthen that knee. Let's move on to the next exercise.